Hello everyone, I am Devjeet Sahu from section 14 and my roll number is 21AE10014. Today I am going to present my third DIY assignment, which is the disassembly and assembly of an electrical appliance. So I have chosen a mixer grinder for it. Now let's see how it is working. As you can see, it was working finely. So now let's proceed for disassembly. Grinder consists of two parts. This is our universal motor and this is the regulating knob over here. Some grinder also consists of overload relay, which is not present in this grinder. So this universal motor consists of two different parts. One is the rotatory part and other one is the stationary part. This is the rotational part, you can see over here. This is the fan. Inside this is the armature coil and this is the commutator. And the stationary part consists of this electromagnet, because when current flows through these copper windings on both sides, they produce an electromagnet, and these carbon brushes guides, in which carbon brushes are there. You can see over here there are carbon brushes. So this commutator acts as a mechanical rectifier. It changes the direction of the alternating current periodically and feed it into the armature coil. The armature coil is present inside the magnetic field. When current flows through these side copper windings, it acts like an electromagnet, and the armature coil is present inside the magnetic field. So when current flows through the armature coil, the magnetic flux changes and it produced an EMF. So it produces a torque, and the armature coil transfer the torque via the shaft, and the shaft also rotates. Here are the carbon brushes. Carbon brushes connects the stationary part and the moving part of this motor. The carbon brushes wear out periodically, so we have to replace them when they wear out. This is our regulator knob. Basically, we regulate the speed through this knob. The live wire is connected in over here. This is the live wire, and there are three speed regulating wires, and they are connected respectively. There was also a relay overload in some grinders that was connected parallel to this universal motor. Basically, one live wire is connected to positive terminal and this neutral wire is connected to negative terminal of the relay overload. So we have seen the workings and different parts. Now proceed for reassembly. So now we have reassembled the grinder again. Hope it will work fine. Let's check. Yeah, it's working. As you can see, it is working finely. So our project is complete. Thank you. Have a nice day.